All right. Hello, Williams, Philippines. And it is March 19th at 4:26 in the PM. Yay! Uh, got my magnet strip up so I can put my metal knives up on the wall. Uh, got my little shelving unit up in the bathroom. And got my toolbox cleaned out and cleaned. Uh, yeah, and let's see. The sink got swapped out. The faucet on the sink got swapped out with a new one, which allows for better water flow. So, yay, better, easier to do dishes with. But it can't be messed with for a while because it's silicone. Got to take and set up and uh, fun stuff. But yeah, got a mirror up in the bathroom so I can shave. Shave. It's kind of important to see that stuff. Makes it easier, at least. You know if you're cutting your neck off or your head off. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, uh, got a few more things rearranged, and yeah, got my clock permanently mounted. Actual hole in the wall, but and a screw head. It's hanging out, so it's not going to fall off because of these little, yeah, like it did and broke the glass. I don't know what it is about glass on clocks. It's twice now in the Philippines I broke glass on the clock. Yeah. Well, the earthquake got one, but that's because I had it up on top of something and it was just there to roll, so it was my fault. Can't blame Mother Nature for that one. It was just yeah, calling the consequence. Uh, but yeah, got my things rearranged, and yeah, I'm starting to actually feel more like I'm here. It's like my table. Uh, I've got the wire ran over to the microwave and the water dispenser. I can turn the dispenser on and it'll heat the water up, and I can have hot water that way and not even have to put it into the kettle. And I'm cooking dinner, as you heard, it just dinged. And it still needs to be shook up and redone. Life goes on. But I got a few more things settled in. Got my speakers over there, and they're hooked in. Uh, I know there's a way to put the TV speakers through to them. I don't know if I want to do that or not. But I can switch and have the programs that I want go to that set of speakers. So, yay. Haven't figured it out which way I want to set that going. Got a few other uh, things. Dug through some old pictures. Showed them what my dad looked like and what I look like now, and then showed them what my dad looked like when he was young and what I looked like when I was young. There might be a little resemblance. Just saying. Went over to try to find the little shelf unit that I had, or that I got four of, and put it into my cabinet because I can use two more of them over there. And now that I've got more pots, ware, and such, I'm going to be needing it. So, yay. Uh, what else? Oh, I got my light installed. I got it attached under the counter, and I can light up my sink and counter area. So now I can turn two lights on there and really get it bright enough for when I'm chopping stuff up. Uh, yeah, it's been a fairly productive day. And I'm ready to eat something. I'm hungry. So yeah, going to be going over getting lab results and such tomorrow and checking with the doc. Yeah, what a fun day. I really don't like hospitals. I really don't. Uh, yeah. And I was in a building today that had some earthquake damage, and it's still being used. It feels like it's you know, just a little off to the side. So, yeah. But it's enough. I notice it when I'm walking. And I got enough problems walking. I don't need help of the building being tilted. Yeah. It is what it is. But that's okay. I don't have to go there a lot, and I could choose to go to a different one. So, yeah. Went and tried to get my laundry. They're closed. Apparently, nobody showed up for work. Yeah. That is what it is. So, I'm having fun with it. I did get to do a little short ride and have, that little outing. I intend on eating and doing a little more rearranging and organizing things. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do next. Part of me just wants to jump on my bike and ride up into the mountains, even though that's not supposed to happen. If I do it, I'll do it on Sunday when LTO is taking it easy. Yeah. It is what it is. But yeah, my body's a little sore. Not sure why, but it is. But life's good. I got some things taken care of today, and yeah, I'm happy and content. Now I really just want to go back to bed. But I need to get some more stuff done. So, like, comment, subscribe. You do you. It's up to you. Figure it out for yourself. More friends, more food, more family, more food, more food. Food. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish, and well, I actually got some lures, or not lures, but hooks and such, and a little package so I can try to go fishing. That is on my list for I want to try and do it before the end of the month, which gives me 12 days. So, most of 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure I can figure it out between now and then. Anyway, later blessings and bye bye. I'm Fish, and Fish out.